Got a Zalando gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's turn that plastic or digital code into stylish new finds in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Zalando's website or open their app and start browsing for your desired items. Go on, find that perfect dress, those killer sneakers, or whatever your heart desires. Once you've found something you love, click on the product and then select your size and color. Then add it to your bag. Feel free to keep shopping and add more goodies. When you're ready to check out, click on the shopping bag icon usually located at the top right of the screen. Review your order and then click Proceed to checkout. Now, on the payment options page, you'll see a box specifically for gift cards. It might be labeled gift card or voucher. Carefully enter your gift card code into this box. Make sure to double check that you've typed it correctly. After entering the code, click the apply button. The gift card value should now be deducted from your total amount due. If your gift card doesn't cover the entire order, no worries. Zalando lets you combine your gift card with other payment methods like credit card, debit card, or PayPal to pay the remaining balance. Select your preferred payment method for the remaining amount, fill in the necessary details, and then click Confirm Order, and that's it. Your order is placed and your gift card is redeemed. Happy shopping!